The other day I was accessing a policy document at my school and I noticed that one of the or a few of the names and email addresses were incorrect. And this happens because we have so many policy documents, but it's hard to keep them all updated. And so the problem that we have is a number of our documents with teachers' names, roles, and email addresses are out of date. A possible solution would be to link these policy documents to a single Google Doc with that table information. So in the Google Sheet, you would create a list of staff names, roles, and email addresses, and paste in the table. So when the Google Sheet is updated, the table in the doc is also updated. And you can do this with multiple policy documents.